I'm Zada from Kunshan Yiyue Cleaning Equipment. We focus on top-notch cleaning gear. Now let's explore the EX60-2 Nutrition Explosion Proof Vacuum Cleaner. Its upper and lower barrels separate easily for quick trash dumping. Powered by compressed air, no electricity means no overheating, running 24 hours per day stably. It has Japan imported high-end filter, accurate to 0.3 microns with 99.99% efficiency. Electrostatic conductive hoses keep static in check. With a 360-degree pneumatic reverse flow, just press a button and it blasts dust off the filter powerfully. The 60-liter stainless steel bucket is tough for all kinds of dust. The storage bust is handy. Casters offer flexible, quiet movement and better sealing. Kunshan Yiyue Cleaning Equipment EX60-2 is your go-to for safe, efficient cleaning. Contact us for more. Thanks.